I have visited USA more than 10 times. But this visit was different. This time I came here only to promote my latest book, that is Age of Peace. This book is very important. I wanted to launch this book from USA, and that mashallah happened. My colleagues are distributing this book, and I hope that very soon thinking people of USA will accept my theory and they will distribute this book throughout the world. I have published several books on peace, but latest book is more comprehensive and it covers the latest events. In this sense, it is new. According to our belief, peace and spirituality are very important for betterment of society. And I would say that peace and spirituality are not two different subjects. They are two different sides of a single coin. And spirituality is inner content of peace, and spirituality is external expression of spirituality. So both is required for building a better society. I have given the answer of this question in detail in my book, Age of Peace. In this book, I have tried to establish that now war or violence is not an option. The whole world is a changed world. Now there is no need to go to war or violence. Anything that you want to achieve is achievable through peace. So why violence? Why bloodshed? Present age is age of opportunity. I would say that age of opportunity explosion. So anyone who wants to achieve anything, he can achieve by applying the method of peace. So why violence? This is my message. Don't go to violence, but discover the present age. And you will discover that present age is age of opportunities, and anyone can achieve any goal through peaceful method. In previous centuries, there was tribal age or age of despotism. In that age, opportunities were limited. So they tried to achieve their goal through violence or war. But now it is no use of violence. You know, we are living in the age where weapons of mass destruction are available. Weapons of mass destruction are available. So why war? War can be used only for destructive purpose. No positive purpose can be achieved through war. So why war? War is now irrelevant. Now it is obsolete method. So this is my dream, to make people aware of the spirit of the age. People are unaware that we are living a new age. The problem is their unawareness. I am trying to make them aware. It is unawareness that creates problem. So I am very hopeful that the day will come when people become aware of the spirit of the age, and they will abandon totally violence and they will opt for peace.